Auz billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Most repeated questions MCQ series general knowledge. Part number 25. Question number 676. The first atomic power station was installed at Pakistan. Kushab, Gilgit, Karachi, Yemen. The correct answer Karachi. First atomic power of Pakistan was installed at Karachi. DNA was discovered by James Watson, Newton, Einstein. The correct answer James Watson. DNA was discovered by James Watson. Earthworm is single sexual, bisexual या transgender? None. The correct answer earthworm is bisexual. Aeroflot is an airline of America, Russia, China? None. The correct answer Russia. 8 furlong means 1 kilometer, 1 mile, 1 yard or none. 8 furlong means 1 mile या 8 furlong equal to 1 mile. The Sun Also Rises is written by famous book. The Sun Also Rises is written by Stanley Walpole, Ernest Hemingway, K.K. Aziz? None. The correct answer Ernest Hemingway wrote the famous book The Sun Also Rises. Who is the father of communism? Stanley Walpole, Ernest Hemingway, Karl Marx? None. The father of communism is Karl Marx. Musadse Hali was written by Maulana Zafar Ali Khan, Maulana Altaf Hussain, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. The correct answer Maulana Altaf Hussain Hali. Musadse Hali, Madh Jazr-e Islam was written by Maulana Altaf Hussain Hali. Hamdard newspaper is written by Maulana Zafar Ali Khan, Maulana Altaf Hussain, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar? None. Correct answer Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. The famous newspaper Hamdard is started by Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. How many districts of Sindh province? 24, 25, 26, 29. The correct answer 29. 29 districts are in a Sindh province. How many divisions of Sindh province? 5, 7, 9, 11. Correct answer 7. 7 division, 29 districts. How many population of Sindh province? 42 million, 45 million, 47.89 million, 51 million. The correct answer 47.89 millions. Who is the governor of Sindh province? Murad Ali, Kamran, is Imran Ismail, Qasim Ali Shah. The correct answer Kamran. Who is the governor of Sindh province 2023 month August? Kamran. Who is the chief minister या वजीर आला of Sindh province? Murad Ali Shah, Kamran, Imran Ismail, Qasim Ali Shah. The correct answer Murad Ali Shah. Murad Ali Shah is the chief minister of Sindh province. Who is the speaker of Sindh assembly? Murad Ali Shah, Kamran, Agha Siraj Durrani, Qasim Ali Shah. The correct answer Agha Siraj Durrani. Agha Siraj Durrani is the speaker of Sindh assembly. Who is the deputy speaker of Sindh assembly? Murad Ali Shah, Kamran, Agha Siraj Durrani, Mrs. Rehana Leghari. The correct answer deputy speaker of Sindh, Mrs. Rehana Leghari. The total budget of Sindh for the year 2023-24 1500 billion, 1800, 2247.581 million या 2000 millions. The correct answer 2247.581 billion. Largest mine of Sindh? Sandeep mine, Thar mine या salt mine. The correct answer Thar mine, 190 km of northeast of Karachi, is the largest mine of Sindh. Mine of coal. ये coastal line of Sindh 250 km, 350 km, 450 km. None. The correct answer 250 km. Coastal line of Sindh 250 km. Balochistan coastal line is 800 km. Total coastal line of Pakistan 850, 950 या 1050 km. Correct answer 1050 km is the total coastline of Pakistan. What is the population of Karachi? 11 lakh 20 1 crore 12 lakh 36,000, 1 crore 42 lakh 36,000, 1 crore 72 lakh 36,000. Correct answer 1.7 crore. Yeah, 1 crore 72 lakh 36,000. 2023 recent population data of Karachi. What is the growth rate of Karachi? 1.35, 2.35%, 3.35. The population growth rate is 2.35%. What is the area of Sindh province? 120,914 kilometer, 140,914 kilometer, 160,914 kilometer. The correct answer 140,914 kilometer. Yeah, 1,40,914 kilometer. Who is the IG of Sindh Police? Dr. Kamran, Mr. Javed, Ghulam Nabi Memon. The correct answer, Ghulam Nabi Memon is the current IGI of Sindh Police. Who is the Education Minister of Sindh? Mr. Sayyid Sardar Ali Shah, Sayyid Ghani, ya Mohammad Kamran. The correct answer, Mr. Sayyid Sardar Ali Shah is the Educational Minister of Sindh. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Thank you very much.